Okay, here's a really cool bass phrase. I hope you enjoy it. It's actually from a syllabus piece, grade 4 piece, but I think you're going to handle this really well. It's got some nice exercises. But enough talking, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. There is an attached photograph of the page as well, so you can see the tab for it. And it starts off with an open 0. So in other words, you're playing this string open, but you need to count to 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Simple as that. Okay. So you want to play with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just quite quick. And you can use one finger like this, or you can go whichever one you prefer. Okay. Now the second bar, that's where the trick comes in. I want you to use your ring finger, number 3, but you can use your middle finger if you really want to. I'm not too fussy about that. And your second bar is going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what's going to happen over there up front is you first got the first 4 zeros, second bar, 1 and 2 and then you go 3 and 4 and. But the trick over here lies in my thumb that's busy tapping away there. While I'm playing the open string, the open third, my thumb is resting on the 4th. When I cross over to the 7, my thumb jumps down. So watch my thumb movement when I go to the 7 and back. So you see the change there? So if you put the whole thing together, slow motion, the first 2 bars, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's more the slow motion for it. Then you go to fret 4. I definitely want the finger number 1 for fret 4. And that's also going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But now watch the pinky. Pinky's busy tapping away. You can use the ring finger, but I think the pinky might get there a bit easier, because you'll see in the 4th bar there's a 6. Like that. So your last 2 bars, bar 3 and 4, is going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And now watch the thumb when I jump across. It's quite a big jump. It's going to go. But you'll notice my hand stays in this shape. So this shape doesn't change. It doesn't sort of open and close. It stays in this and just works its way from string to string. Okay. So I'm going to play that 3rd and 4th bar slow motion for you. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Then you're going to go down to fret number 2. You can see the top of the bass over there. And you've got the same sort of vibe going over here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And the cool thing with the octaves, that's what you're playing over here. When you play the 4, the octave is 1, 2 strings down. So you started on the 4, you went down 2, you go up 2, down 2, up 2. Okay. When you played the 2 over here and you went to the octave, 1, 2 down, 1, 2 across. So your octave, in other words, the same note, just higher in pitch. This is F sharp, that's F sharp. This is C sharp, that's C sharp. It's just 2 strings down, 2 frets that way. Okay, so that's important. So we're going to play now that part there. Again, watch the thumb. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you're back to the A. Now this is quite cool. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. On the 1, silence the bass. So what I do is I touch that on the count of 1. And you're looking now at the very last bar of the second line. And it's going to go. Okay, it's going to go. And 2 and 3. And you can see I'm lifting up my hand there. And 2 and 3 and 4. Simple as that. Okay. So let's try and take it the whole way through now. Super slow. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and its speed. This is what you're aiming for. And I hope you got that. Let me know how it goes. If you got any questions, comments, just drop me a WhatsApp. Otherwise, see you next week and enjoy the weekend. Cheers.